So you guys remember that one video where I tried to fix my iPhone because the glue wasn't holding on very well? Well, that didn't really go as planned. iFixit.com says an iPhone 5S screen does work on an SE, but the 5S has to be an OEM part. Just look at that. Do you see those stripes? Well, after that happened, I dropped my phone, and look what happened. Instead of the outside cracking, the inside decided to crack. Just great! Well, I guess that's perfect timing because I just bought this new screen. Hopefully I don't show my address. Let's open it. I actually have a knife for once. And look, surprisingly, they used bubble wrap this time. I decided to give eBay another chance. Safety instructions. I don't care about this. I live on the edge. Hopefully I didn't have to keep that in case I needed to return it. This better be a legit screen. It better be a legit screen. And let's shut you down. Screen, tools. I also bought this glowing Apple logo mod, but I'll get to that later. Let's begin. I've already been recording for 5 minutes. Why are the screws so hard to take out? Suction cup, spudger, tweezers. Okay, so the glass just came off the frame. Ugh, this is gonna be hard to take out now. Oh my gosh. This is not how it's supposed to work. Oh my god, this is so dangerous. Well, the screen is really screwed up, but good thing we're replacing it. I probably should move this camera to a lower angle. Hold on. Here it is. Let's put that over here before I break it because those are really sensitive. And now the front-facing camera. Now what I forgot to do in the last video is take out this bracket. Should have done that anyway. They're pretty much identical now. I'm gonna peel this off. And peeling this off. So I'm just gonna do everything I did, but in reverse. Because I think that's the best way to do it. Get in the hole. Okay, got the front-facing camera back on. That wasn't too hard. Now the Touch ID cable. That will be the last thing for the screen. Now let's put the screen back on. And before putting it all back together, I just want to turn it on to make sure it's working. Now, please don't do the same thing that happened last time. I really hope this works. Ugh. Okay, I don't see any stripes, which is a very good sign. It's not turning on. I think it's because before I did this, the battery was already on like 3%, so I just have to plug it in. It's not to see if it actually recognizes when I touch it. Everything works, the vibration works. The color looks really accurate. I don't see any stripes. It's recognizing touch and looks like it's 60 frames per second. The compass works, accelerometer. Now let's try Touch ID. Yeah, the fingerprint sensor works as well. Now let's put everything back together. Let's shut you down again. Sorry, camera ran out of storage and I just realized now. But now I gotta put the fingerprint sensor cable back in. I've been dealing with the screen popping out for almost a year now. It's so annoying. And it's finally fixed. And the screen doesn't have any stripes. $69. Everything works. Dang it, I knew everything was too good to be true. I'll fix that later. So, you know why I bought this screen on eBay and risked losing my money? Well, because the seller actually put the actual photos of the screen instead of just putting a photo from the internet. And also they give you a refund if you have a problem with the screen. You shouldn't even have a problem with the screen because I just did it perfectly. And if you do, you must be a total idiot. They actually put seller refurbished, which is something I appreciate for being honest. They say it's OEM, 100% tested. They have pretty good feedback. Their name is Sell Good Parts. And I can see that they're like me. They shouldn't agree that you should use aftermarket screens. So that's why I bought this one, because they were very honest. Shout out to Sell Good Parts for being a good person. Positive.